box off a mediocre man from here to Bangkok. I manifest beyond the physical.
What's up, guys? Here I'm checking out Difford and Tilbrook, and this one is titled Love's Crashing Waves, requested by Ali Berg on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one before, never heard anything from this duo. But yeah, this is the first single from their 1984 self-titled debut album. UK duo Chris Difford and Glenn Tilbrook, former members of the UK band Squeeze. And apparently I reacted to Squeeze twice now. So yeah, I've heard essentially some of their stuff. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this one. Love's Crashing Waves. Album cover looks pretty cool. But yeah, that being said, let's check it out.
When he says its foundation, there are subscribers whose appetizers are pieces of conversation. Concocted rumors by out-of-tuners are the most in love's concerto. As long as we know at our piano we're serving it without potato. Love's crashing wave upon the rocks, seen by some, by you it's not, but you won't drown. Love is your town, where love is found for all to all. Unfounded scandal I cannot handle when it's been so diluted. With careful wording, love can be burning and the fire unconstituted. So my prescription is my addiction when love is social surrounding. To show your colors to all those others who think that your love is drowning. Love's crashing wave upon the rocks, seen by some, by you it's not, but you won't drown. Love is your town, where love is found for all to all. Love's crashing wave upon the rocks, seen by some, by you it's not, but you won't drown. Love is your town, where love is found for all to all.
Okay. Wait, that was kind of a jammer, I ain't gonna lie. Like when I saw the title, I instantly thought that this was gonna be like a slow jam for sure. Like Love's Crashing Waves. Like tell me that just doesn't sound like a slow jam. But yeah, lo and behold, it was most definitely not. It was very much a fast-paced, upbeat song. Like I said earlier, it definitely kind of gave off like, I don't know, like disco vibes, like disco R&B vibes, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know, like, I don't want to say Sister Sledge, but I don't know, it just reminded me low-key of like a disco R&B type of a song. But yeah, it was still really good. Had some rock elements in there as well. But yeah, really good song. Definitely enjoyed it. And yeah, it wasn't like, you know, crazy, but I mean, not every song has to be that for sure. But you know, it wasn't like, you know, anything over the moon or anything like that. But yeah, it was still a really good song, definitely a jammer. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this one, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.